Hey guys, I'm back for another weekly video. Alright, cool. I understand this. It's been like 4 weeks. I'm sorry about that. But I have an excuse. There was a hole in my tire. So, yeah. Today we're taking my brand new Supermotos to the test and we're gonna take it to a ride out. And you may be asking, like, CJ, where'd you get those Supermoto tires? And I'll show you at the end of today's video. Alright, so without further ado, let's get to the ride out. Oh shit! Oh shit, I'm not even gonna do a transition, ain't I? Alright, fuck it, I'll see you. Alright, chat. We are here at the ride. Oh, shit. Here. Just do not do mode 3. Don't do mode 3, that's just too much. I promise you, it's too much. Damn. Ah, shit. Yeah. Dude, I don't even know how people red star wheelie. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when we start going and riding. And we're out, y'all. Shit. This is a great test for the Yozma Supermotos. We're going on a little bit of a ride. Honestly, it's not really a big ride out, but it's just like, yeah, a group of friends. I'm just joining them, I guess. But hey, new place, great place to test out.
Him is Lorenzo. I see you on TikTok. I've been seeing your live.
Shit, I don't even know who that is. I don't know who the fuck that is, but I don't even know who you are, I'll be honest with you.
We're just gonna have to run.
You got banned?
You're throwing like
man, y'all over here is strict as shit. Pants and they don't give a fuck about what you do.
I mean the cops don't care, just like but people think it's too like
Better make them homemade Supermotos. That nigga's crazy on the red star, I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, look at this nigga. He doing his thing. Okay, with the 48 volt. Okay, huh? Don't be scared to run. Alright. I got the 72 volt, nigga. They ain't catching me. They'll box you in. Shit. I would've went through the gap. I would've. You turn. Apparently, Gray Durango is big bad nigga. So, yeah. thick tires, but fuck, not that fucking thick. Front brake. Brand new knobby. Dude, you gotta get them homemade Supermotos somehow. Fuck. Front brake. Dude, front brake, look. Front brake, put your feet right here. In front of the peg. I think. Hell nah, yo. Damn. Ew, what the fuck is that in my damn tire? Yeah, I'm good. My tire's warm now, at least.
Damn. Oh shit, sticky.
Oh shit. Oh shit, that is glass. That's a lot of fucking glass. Somebody wants to die. That would fucking help. What we about to do? Alright.
Wait till I got a red light.
I did it yesterday. We rode the McDonald's.
Hey, go.
Shit. That's cool, man. Just vibes, one. Just vibe. Put it on full. Oh my god.
Bro, why? What?
Hell on the Supermotos? Fuck. Hell on the Supermotos? Shit. Hold on. Damn. Damn.
Hey, I do not recommend that shit.
You need help? Just slowly get it back.
This shit does not have a fucking reverse.
I'm about to fucking slide out in these damn Crocs.
I'm trying to. I don't have a front brake.
Shit. I'm gonna try this shit on the 72 volt fucking Yozma.
No, you're not making it.
I'm not making it?
That's still it. This is just stuff of that part.
Alright, y'all. I I think we're gonna go cut to the other footage where we're gonna cut to the other footage to where we met a Sauron. All right, bye. Oh yeah! Hey yo, what'd you buy?
What is the fucking chances we
What are the chances?
Oh my god.
Nah, we gotta get his at. Hold on.
Hold on. Nah, we gotta get your number.
No. Whole ride on the thing.
He's power wheeling the hell out of that though.
I am.
Oh my god!
Hold on, I'm about to show him.
Oh my god, it's an actual Sauron! What are the chances we see a damn Sauron? Oh, nah.
Nobody said anything.
No.
Nobody said anything.
Nobody said that. We would never disrespect a woman like that. We would never disrespect a woman like that. Never.
I was showing her because I'm showing her like my record.
Yeah. Alright, so boom. Here's what you came for. Here's how you get the Supermoto tires for the stock rims on the Yozma. All you gotta do is go to today's video's description and click on that link. There's gonna be 2 links. There's gonna be a link for this tire and you got this one. Don't let anybody ever gatekeep tires or anything like that from you. As y'all know, I will always give y'all the sauce on what I'm getting. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!